Hi, jetzt mal für euch so ein englischsprachig-amerikanisches Weihnachtslied. Das Lied heißt All I Want for Christmas is You, was übersetzt so viel heißt wie alles, was ich zu Weihnachten haben will, das bist du. Und der Text stammt von Mariah Carey und die Melodie oder die Musik von Afanasieff. Okay, so heißt der Mann. Jetzt geht's also los für euch. All I want for Christmas is you. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. Oh, I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. Oh, all I want for Christmas is you. Oh. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus won't make me happy with the toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Whoa, baby, I want as much this Christmas. I don't even wish but slow. I'm just gonna keep on waiting underneath the mistletoe. I won't make a list and send it to the North Pole for San Diego. I won't even stay awake to hear those magic reindeer click. 'Cause I just want you here, my own, holding on to me so tight. What more can I do? Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. Oh, baby, all the lights are shining so brightly everywhere, and the sound of children's laughter fills the air, and everyone is singing. I hear those sleigh bells ringing. Santa, won't you bring me beyond the Neato? Won't you please bring my baby to me? Oh, I don't want a lot for Christmas. This is all I'm asking for. I just want to see my baby standing right outside my door. Oh, I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. Whoa. Oh, baby, all I want for Christmas is you. Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. Oh, baby.